Space melody on the beat.
Alright people, we got another one. I hope you're doing well out there, by the way.
Alright guys, today we're gonna be unboxing this beautiful and stylish Rimforsa boy from Ikea, by the way. It's a storage space solution, I call that. You know what I mean? So that's the second time I'm buying it, so I feel like let me just showcase this on the channel for all of you out there that likes stylish things and the storage solution. So without further ado, let's get down to business. I'm going to be showing you the first one and what I've done with it. Pretty cool. So make sure to like the video, share the video if it's any useful to you, thumbs up the video all the way. If it's your first time out here, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We love you all out here, and we love your support. Without further ado, let's get down to business. What's inside the box is what we're here for. Let's get down to business, people. Let's do it. Let's open this thing. Let's see what's inside the box, people. What's inside the box is what we're here for. So it's pretty straightforward, you know. Lovely cylinders. Okay. Check that out in a minute. The second one. Your how to. I don't think you really need. So up to you. Some need it, some don't need it. I don't personally need it, so I'm going to push down on the side. There you go. Take that out. You take it out and keep it there. You know, so up to you. Take that out. We just pause for a sec. Alright, now figure out how to take it out. Just pull it out like this. This will go onto, I don't know if you can see me. Wait. This will go on the wall, for example, something like that, and it allows you to, to hook it on. Okay, you just have to read the manual if you need it. It'll be something similar to this, on the wall or something like that. All right. So if you need it, I don't use it. I'm gonna fall that to the side. So what's inside the box? That's what's inside the box. Pretty lovely storage solution. You can use this for your bathroom, living room, desktop, side bed, table, kitchen. It's all up to you. It's pretty beautiful. Let me just show you how it goes. It goes like this and like that. All right. The wood, by the way, feels like a real wood. Like the feel of it. Pretty nicely done, and all right, a little bit solid. You won't rough it up, but other than that, it's a very lovely decoration or storage piece. Okay. Pretty big, it's very big. Can pour a bunch of things in there. There we go. So this is what I've done with the first one. Okay. Added, capsules for coffee capsules and sweets in there. All right. It's pretty handy.
Space melody on the beat.
So if you get 4, you can align them like this, and it will also look very beautiful. I'm not selling it to you, I'm just showcasing it. Okay, they're paying me for this. All right. Well, I love the design. Right? By the way,
space,
that's what time it is. Other than that, people, the name is just a sec.
space,
That's the name,
space, space,
Rimforsa, and this is from Ikea. All right. So I hope this was helpful, guys, and if so, make sure to thumbs up the video. Share the video if it's any useful to you. Talk among yourself about what we do out here. We love you all here, and we love your support. Keep it lit, keep it safe, and we shall surely see you on the next one. Let's do it, people. Bang, 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 bang. Peace out. Yeah.
space, 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 space melody on the beat.